Insurance estimator. What does an insurance estimate do? Are you concerned about recouping the cost caused by car accidents? Check out this video to learn the ways in which an insurance estimator can help you. The term insurance estimator refers to a person who handles insurance claims when an accident happens. If an accident occurs, the insured makes an insurance firm, and the insurance estimator carefully examines the situation, visually inspects the damaged vehicle, and comes up with an estimate of the damages the business has to pay. The job of an insurance estimator is usually for insurance businesses. Their primary task is to settle any type of insurance dispute between the client and the company. The specific responsibilities that an insurer plays includes an investigation into fraudulent claims, the examination of damaged vehicles, and determining the salvage value of the vehicle, which includes estimation of the amount of labor required and the components that are to be repaired. This includes making insurance forms for claims and making payments, as well as approving the damage incurred and preparing an extensive statement in the event that the vehicle is damaged beyond repair. The current average salary for the insurance estimator is $64,093 within the United States of America. If you are insured for your car and you need to contact your insurance provider in the event of an accident, auto estimators establish an interface between the client and the insurance company through offering estimates, establishing timelines, retrieving pertinent information about customers, and handling the client's queries effectively. It is crucial to determine the insurance premiums for cars and determining the coverage and the types of claims prior to buying the insurance policy. This video will provide some basic and crucial details about what you need to do with the cost of car insurance, such as costs, premiums, and claims. Let's explore how insurance estimators work with regards to car insurance and how everything is done. Insurance estimate calculator. If you've bought one of these insurance policies, then you should be wondering how an insurance company determines the premiums, total costs that are covered by the policy, and claims. What are the factors that make up the calculation? What is an insurance estimate calculator? There are a variety of tools for each calculation which aids prospective purchasers to select the appropriate policy. It is the insurance estimator's job to determine an estimate of insurance. It is the responsibility of the customer to supply accurate and reliable details to get the quoted price that is closer to the actual value. Insurance company's insurance business will perform the calculations and provide customers with the most accurate price. In addition, there are a variety of tools online that can help users to learn more regarding premiums, costs, and claims. A calculator for insurance estimates ensures the most competitive cost for the policy. However, in certain instances, the cost may differ among the various firms. Calculator for insurance estimates is a tool designed for the convenience of customers and their feasibility. This tool assists in obtaining an estimate for the purchase of an insurance policy. There are a variety of online tools that are used extensively by customers to calculate costs of insurance, premiums, and many other insurance-related calculations can be done with these tools. Potential buyers use this online tool to find an estimate of costs and to compare various policies. These tools will inquire for a few pertinent questions and then provide you with a price that best suits your financial situation. Let me give you the names of some online calculators and tools for insurance estimation that offer different insurance policies. This site is an estimate calculator for car insurance that can help you find the best quote for your needs based on the information you've provided. The tool offers an insider's view of buying the right car insurance policy. The calculator for car insurance will provide you with an estimate of the insurance rate that will help you figure your budget to buy the appropriate policy for your needs. Policy Bazaar. Policy Bazaar offers calculators for health insurance, car insurance policy, as well as term insurance. These calculators will allow you to calculate monthly and annual costs you'll have to pay on the policy that you bought. Calculating health insurance needs information such as your age, medical condition, or any prior claims. The Policy Bazaar's auto insurance calculator allows you to calculate approximate premiums you'll have to pay to get your vehicle covered by the insurance policy. In addition, it gives you an idea of the price of different insurance options to help make an informed choice. These are just a number of tools you can use to calculate an estimate for insurance. The primary benefit of such tools is you can get an estimate of the cost of an insurance policy, that allows you to gain the most up-to-date information regarding premiums, the kind of insurance you require, or the insurance claims. How do I get an insurance quote or estimate? An insurance estimate can also be called an insurance quotation. It is a figure provided by an insurance company of the price a new insurance plan will run. This estimate provides an estimated amount of the premiums for the specific policy prior to when the purchase. It also provides details on the coverage that will be available should a prospective policyholder purchase the policy. Finding out more about a specific policy and obtaining quotes is easy right now. Potential buyers can obtain quotes from the online system of the company or reach out to the company directly or through an agent. Inquiring about estimates or quotes on insurance will not impact a prospective buyer's credit risks. Thus, you are able to get any number of quotes you need to make the most informed choice of buying a policy that is best suited to your specific situation. How do I calculate an insurance cost? If you purchase the insurance plan, you have to pay premiums. The term premium refers to the amount that you pay after purchasing the insurance policy through an insurer. The premiums for insurance are dependent on your age, the type of insurance you'd like, and the amount you'd like to have, as well as any other relevant details. The premium is paid on either a semi-annual or monthly basis, but in some instances, the customer is required to pay the full amount upfront prior to when the coverage begins. The factors that go into the calculation of premiums for insurance. There are a variety of factors in the estimation of premiums for insurance based on the kind of policy you're applying for. If you are a policy buyer, it is essential to have all the relevant information available to you so that you are able to make an informed decision. Additionally, the purchaser must be able to provide accurate information to stop any fraudulent activities. The most important factors are age, insurance firms inquire about age since it's one of the variables used to determine the probability of using the insurance. For auto insurance, young people like teenagers require more experience, which is why their insurance for autos is more costly. In the same way, older individuals are also paying more since they are slower to react. The type of coverage you choose. When you buy a policy, you'll have several choices. If you choose to purchase an insurance policy with a full coverage and it costs more. Comprehensive insurance policies include more features, while the case where a customer opts for an insurance policy that only covers responsibility, it's less expensive. Personal information based on the policy you're buying or obtaining, the insurer or company will be able to access details. Examples include your marital situation, your driving record and bills, as well as your claims history, medical history, family medical history, as well as your job and residence address. Car insurance coverage types. In order to buy a car insurance policy, you must be aware of the details related to the different types of coverage that are covered by the insurance policy. The goal of insurance coverage is to safeguard yourself, your passengers, or any other members or parties who are involved in an accident or unexpected circumstance. As per Allstate Insurance Company, there are generally 6 kinds of insurance coverage available on a car insurance policies available for consumers within the USA. Liability insurance. Insurance for auto liability is required in the majority of states. Drivers are legally obliged to purchase a minimum liability policy in accordance with the law. This is due to 2 reasons. Liability for bodily injury. It will allow you in the payment of costs for the injuries of another person caused by the purchaser. Damage to property liability. The insurance will cover damage to another's property by the purchaser. 2. Underinsured or uninsured motorist coverage. The insurance coverage can help you pay for losses or damages when you're struck by a motorist who is not insured. Underinsured motorist insurance can be beneficial if you're struck by a driver who is insured, but the insurance coverage is not able to pay medical expenses. It is not mandatory in all states. 3. Comprehensive coverage. The insurance coverage is comprehensive and allows you to recover damages or loss in the event of fire, theft, or vandalism. However, the purchaser is required to pay the deductible prior to receiving the amount of reimbursement. Additionally, the comprehensive coverage can help to cover the cost of repairs in excess of the value in cash of the vehicle. 4. Collision coverage. This will assist you in repair or replace it in the event that your vehicle is struck in the collision of another automobile. 5. Medical payment coverage. In the event that you or your passenger or family members driving the vehicle insured and become hurt in an accident, medical expenses will be covered for injuries that result from the incident. The coverage isn't an obligation in all states. 6. Personal protection from injury. In addition to the medical damages that result from accidents, personal injuries protection protects other expenses, including childcare costs and lost income. This protection is not mandatory in all states. Do I need to pay per month or annually for my auto insurance? When you purchase a vehicle insurance plan, you have usually two options to pay the premium amount in either a monthly or annual. If you are paying annually, you pay the lump sum amount and establish direct debits in your monthly installments with the insurance company. The price of car insurance is a major concern for many people. The idea of annual or monthly payments creates a sway on your financial situation even if you are able to afford the monthly installments. In reality, there is a pros and cons for both. Benefits of monthly car insurance. The most positive thing about paying monthly for car insurance is the cost spread. Monthly payments can be beneficial to your financial standing when you have high costs to pay. The cost of annual insurance premiums isn't an option that is accessible to all. Therefore, monthly payments allow car insurance to all. The disadvantages of monthly car insurance. It's more expensive than annual because the initial payment needs to be made, which typically amounts to 20% of the total cost. If one loses a job, the policyholder is required to make sure that the payments are made on a monthly basis. Benefits of paying each year for insurance for cars. It's a lot cheaper since there is no interest that needs been paid. The majority of insurance companies only conduct an informal credit check that has no impact on the credit report of the policyholder. Cons of having to pay annually for car insurance. Young drivers are unable to afford the huge amount of cost of insurance, which is why they choose to skip car insurance and drive with no insurance, which is a crime. When you make annual payments, there is the possibility of losing your money as well as having to pay a cancellation fee should you choose to leave the policy. Thank you for watching.